party, so what we're gonna do is have and not I have challenge. Yeah, so this is our guest. So give us what's your name? My name is Irish and yeah. So before we get to do this, give us a thumbs up, like and share, comment down below, subscribe, click the I button. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, we are back. Forward. Oh no, not again. So here's the question. Who's no, never have I wait. Here's the question, just wait. I am first. Do you ever just wait. Do you ever wait, what is this?
Ay, ang galing! Magaling siya! Panalo na naman, oh!
I guess I first. Whoever cook a rice in the house. Huh? Whoever. No. Not who. Do you ever have a friend? I guess I have. Yes, other people have a friend. All have. Okay, so yeah, and now mine. Okay. Do you ever put your hands up in your hands and put it on your head? I have. Wait, I think I can.
This is for 30,000.
So have not. I have not. Have not. No, you said you put it on your head.
Ay, talo nga siya ni Liza!
Oh. Okay, now it's your turn. Yay! Dominant! The next question is, do you ever eat a meal? Do you ever eat a meal after that? Wait, alright. So, first, I have not. Wait. I have not. Okay. I have not. I have. Oh. What? You have? It's Starbucks. The next question is. Oh, I got a cat. You got a rat. Next question. The next question is. Do you have a cone and left down in the grass? Have. Do you ever? Wait. Excuse me. Oh, sorry for that. Do you ever eat a crab? Delicioso. Yeah. That's all. Now it's your turn.
Luis Gabriel Moreno, John Wick Guzman, and Jordan Newport. Thank you.
Do you ever sleep midnight?
Sa inyo at sa mga karangalan ng pagkikigyan nyo sa ating
What? Again? Do you ever sleep midnight?
at magpabalik pa.
Have not. Have, because I sleep midnight. Have. I mean, I have. Okay. I also sleep in 1 o'clock. No one cares. Yes. So I always stop on now. Go. Read it. Do you ever meet Mark Thomas? Huh? What? Do you ever meet Jojo Siwa? Oh. No. I think I have not. I have not. And I have not. Now it's my turn. No, she's there. Okay. Do you ever step into a poop? Yuck. I guess I have. You step in a poop? I have. I have not. Because did I step into poop? I step into poop and then it's like this big. This is the one I stepped on my black shoes in school. Yeah. Now it's your turn. I have never ever do that. Now it's your turn. Do you ever take a shower after a meal? Have. Have. I think I have because and yeah, the next question. Okay, next question. Do you have? Do you ever wash a clothes? Have. I have not because I wash a sleeper, not clothes. Okay, now it's my turn. That's 8 question. Do you ever have a Julius sister? Have. Oh, sorry. I have not because I'm the sister. Yeah, you have a brother. Yes, I have a little brother. And I'm the sister. I have, and she isn't. And she isn't. You're one. She's the one. Okay. She's the one. Now it's your turn. It's your last question. Stop. Is it the last question? Yes, last question. Is it the last question? Yeah. Wait. And also, guys, watch the Monopoly challenge with me. So that's all. Okay. Have. What? What you have? You see a mermaid in YouTube. Bye. Just kidding, guys. I have because it's in the big. I have not. I have not because I'm not a liar. So that's all, guys. Goodbye. And subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and comment down below. Click the I button and bye. Wait. Guys, watch the Monopoly challenge with me. And the most likely to. Bye. We look burger.